come by the Politricks spot. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to talk about the car dealer, businessman that killed the police officer at the Hotheadedness police station. His name is Deon Singh. I know so the story them can move fast. Surely you can't forget already. Deon Singh. When the story first came out, you just sound away. You know, events were ended with the sergeant losing his life. That's Detective Sergeant Kevin Mayne, and Deon Singh taking his own life. I wonder like how we get this up. You see, originally how it reported in the papers, and the story where even JCF put out, the way they make it sound is like just a random chain of events, and that policeman just happen to go quote that day and happen to come back that way, and Deon Singh just happen to just shoot him and take with a gun. But there's a lot more thought put into it, from Deon Singh's side at least. It turns out that the policeman that lost his life, Kevin Mayne, if you notice his rank is Detective Sergeant Kevin Mayne. Detective Sergeant. He's an investigator. Kevin Mayne was actually one of the main people who did dig up the Singh enterprise, the criminal enterprise where they run. A scamming. For them farmer scamming. You see, Deon Singh was a used car dealer, so people would turn up for buy a car. Some people are like give him the money in a full. Enough time people buy a car when they're physically in a Jamaica. So the car might die in another country. And then people pay for the car, enough man no one get left behind. So some people them don't bother put a deposit and just pay for the whole of the car one time. And the car not physically in a Jamaica. Then when time then go for the car, them hear say this and that. But when time we first hear about Singh dealership, Deon Singh and Sophia Singh, me think so some man from Mumbai. But this is not a Mumbai man. This is an Irish man. This is an Irish accent. He might have some Mumbai heritage somewhere down in his bloodline, but this is an Irish man. I've said it many times, it's extraordinary. Over all the centuries of indentured servants, a Japan and Irish man from all different parts of Asia. Man a Japan Irish man who just want scandal bag and 2 underpants. Enough of them who Japan and Irish man poorer than enough of the locals them. We still not see for them clansman. We still not for them one another. We still not see gangs of them walking up on the street, shooting up for them own people and killing off them own community. We've not seen this. I'm say the most they might do is sell you a gun to make you kill off your people them, and people look like you, but we still not see it. The incident wasn't exactly as random as they make it sound. Because Detective Sergeant Kevin Mayne was one of the main people them who would have looked into the case of the Singh scamming business. Enough of the incident actually got recorded on camera. Yes, the police them up on camera. You think camera in a police station? Just let them hold on panic. And I don't think you're ever going to see it because it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Police get disarmed like taking candy from a child. After Singh had the gun, he never just turn it from one policeman when him see. Me did tell him to say it spooky, say him disarm a police officer. He's just on this random rampage. And him disarm a police officer. And him don't shoot that police officer first. Because when man a disarm people, the somebody will get disarmed normally get it first because they might try to get back their gun. He had no interest in killing that squaddy. He purposely targeted Kevin Mayne because that same Kevin Mayne was playing a big role in the investigation in the Singh car scamming. So by killing Kevin Mayne, he got rid of the person who would have most likely unraveled the scamming empire. I'm not talking about him alone because him alone can't do this. In everything else, what the word me always use, network. It's not just Deon Singh alone. Him just can't sit in our office and run this big scamming operation for all these years. Kevin Mayne was onto him. He was investigating not just the used car dealership and the scam, but also how enough people even afraid to go report him. Yes, enough people did afraid to go report Deon Singh because them ears said things might get spooky for them. Kevin Mayne was looking into all of that. By killing Kevin Mayne, all of that gone right now, unless the next investigator might pick up where Kevin Mayne left off. But oftentimes that's not the case, because worse like how Deon Singh did, knowing how JCF work, then probably gonna say, well, him dead and gone already, life goes on. And then the operation continued in our next farm. Deon Singh's actions were calculated. The person who him shoot, the one smarty who him shoot, wasn't because he was just so upset and him disarm one policeman and, oh look, see one squaddy there. Blah. Through me vex, yeah, man. He killed Kevin Mayne for a reason. Kevin Mayne was the person who was trying to get Deon Singh on a conviction. Enough people who were afraid to go directly to police station, enough people go to Kevin Mayne and confide in him. People start filing them charges, people start turn up no. Once people hear say, oh, it's a police station, more man start come because I would by people. The thing end up turning around upon this scheme where him take one customer money and pay the next one. So much people money get backlogged. That's when one man come pay for your car, him take that money and pay somebody with him owe. And then after him I go down the line, upon this scheme. But Kevin Mayne was onto the scam. It wasn't a random attack of somebody what just happened to kill one policeman because him vex. He killed a specific policeman. Now, what a question still need to be asked. He wasn't handcuffed. Let me say, this the police officer like taking candy from a child. I hope they don't just dash this case and say, well, it's done and gone already, so life move on. But knowing them, probably that them are the right now. But only one thing I can say about Deon Singh. He spared the Jamaican taxpayer a fortune. Because if he did kill Kevin Mayne and then they lock him up, it would be a big expensive trial with him that probably beat on some kind of technicality anyway. In the end, he distributed his own form of justice. He saved the taxpayer a whole lot of time and money. Two of them slappy right now. I don't even trust them to get a conviction for a man who kill a policeman in a police station. That's how useless the Jamaican justice system is. I don't even trust them. I don't even trust the prosecution them to get a conviction on a man who kill a policeman in a police station. And now we know there's always a loophole. And if you have enough links, and if you're in the right circle, have the right people's secret, then we'll get a loophole. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, see you circling. Bless.